Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check fee estimation on Sparrow Wallet. When sending Bitcoin, transaction fees are very important. The fees determines how fast your transaction gets confirmed on the Bitcoin network. In Sparrow Wallet, fee estimation helps you see how much you'll pay before sending. Choose fast, normal, or the slow confirmation. Avoid overpaying during low network activity. Avoid stock transaction during high congestion. Now let's go step by step in a very clear and detailed way. First, on the search bar, type down Sparrow Wallet and open it. Over here, if you want to create a new wallet, open wallet or import wallet, you can do that as well. As I'm going to select this new wallet here and create it. And once your wallet is open, you are ready to check the fee estimation. At the top of the screen over here, select this send here, enter the recipient Bitcoin address. If you find, enter the recipient Bitcoin address, enter the amount you want to send. As soon as you enter the amount, Sparrow automatically calculates the transaction details including the fee. And then you can look at the fee estimation section. You'll see the information of your fee rate, estimated fee, transaction size, confirmation target, and this estimates how fast your transaction may confirm. In the transaction size, this shows how large your transaction is, and fee rate, this means you are paying 12 Saturn shares per virtual byte. The main important is the higher SAT PB, the faster confirmation, the lower SAT PB, the slower but cheaper. Sparrow updates the total fee instantly when you change the rate. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to check fee estimation in Sparrow Wallet. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.